Hello everyone, today is Tablescape Tuesday. Hope all is well with you and yours. And on today's episode, I am sharing with you a timeless classic table setting, and I call it today Glam Garden Tablescape. For those of you that have been with me for a while, you know that I don't use a tablecloth very often, but today I decided to use one, and the one that I chose is quite overwhelming. It is loaded with flowers, and the design is just so pretty. However, I just wanted to make the setting pretty simple with just a touch of glam. So I hope that you will enjoy this video on today. And if so, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If this happens to be your first time here, welcome. I thank you for visiting the channel, and also don't forget to subscribe. I upload a video every week with a different theme, and it would be certainly a pleasure to have you join us. And I just want to say thank you to all of the Design to a T family. I thank you all so much for your support and your weekly comments. I really enjoy reading them, and I'm so glad that you are a part of this family. I really appreciate every one of you. folks, this is all I have for you on today. I want to say thanks again for visiting, and don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and to share, and don't forget to subscribe. So glad to have had you here on today, and I wish you the best week that you've ever had before. God bless.